Yes. In the question number 8, 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the mixture will be 80 degrees Celsius, more than 50 degrees Celsius, but less than 80 degrees Celsius. C is 20 degrees Celsius and D is between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. So,
between 30 degrees Celsius.
Between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius.
And 50 degrees Celsius.
50 degrees Celsius. When we mix it, what will be the temperature?
Between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius.
Between 30 degree and 50 degrees Celsius. So the answer is D. Okay. The answer of A is D part. Between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, next question is 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will A part flow from iron ball to water, not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Flow from water to iron ball, and D is increase the temperature of both. Here in the 9th phase, what is the question?
From iron ball.
Iron ball from B part flow from iron ball to water and
Iron ball to
The
water
water is at 40 degrees Celsius, and if we put ball into it, it is also at 40 degrees Celsius. Is there any change or any transfer of heat?
Ma'am, no.
ma'am.
No. So the answer is
No.
B. There is not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Okay, because these are at the same temperature. Yes. If the two objects are at the same temperature, then there will be no transfer of heat. Okay. And in the 10th question, a wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end becomes cold by the process of conduction. C is become cold by the process of radiation. D is does not become cold. So it does not become cold.
It can't become cold, ma'am, because food is the conductor of heat.
Is there any? What will happen?
It does not become cold.
It does not
It
become
does not become cold, ma'am, because food is insulator.
insulator.
Bad conductor of heat.
Yes, it is bad conductor of heat. So the heat will not flow. The answer of the 10th is B part. Okay. Next is 11th. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that. So, what is stainless steel? It is an alloy. That means it is prepared by the mixing one or more metals or non-metals. Okay. So alloy, it is an alloy of iron and chromium. And sometimes nickel is also added into it. Okay. So what is the use? It is corrosion resistant. It does not corrode like iron. Okay. So the answer is why there is use of copper bottom because copper is better conductor of heat than stainless steel. Yes. So the answer is C. Copper is a bad conductor of heat than stainless steel. Okay. Now, in the 6th question, drawing the diagram. Okay. So what is happening? You know there is a sheet use की गई है वहां पे. You are seeing that in the book. It is called wire gauge. Wire gauge. Okay. And then there is a burner. And there is a container. And it is the handle. Water is added into it. Okay. So the transfer of heat from this fire flame to the bottom of fan. It is reaching here by the process of radiation. By the process of radiation, because there is no medium and the heat will transfer from this flame to the bottom of the container by the process of radiation. There is water. Okay, in liquids, the flow of transfer of heat is due to the convection process. So here you will write convection. Okay, and from this solid part to this handle. Okay, it is by the process of conduction.
Condensation.
Because, yes, because
Conduction.
the transfer of heat from solid in solid is due to the process of conduction. Okay, clear? Now the answer number 8. There is a one container, okay, and 1 liter water is present in it, and it is at 30 degrees Celsius. Now temperature of water is 30 degrees Celsius, and it contains 1 liter water. हम इसको A नाम देते हैं. Okay, and in the other, what is there? There is 1 liter water. We name it B. Okay, so the water in this container, in the B container, it is at 50 degrees Celsius. You are saying that the temperature of both containers, that they're both is different. Here the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, here the temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. So what happened? There is a transfer of heat within the liquids when we mix it. For example, I am mixing it. On mixing, we get 2 liter of water. Now we will get 2 liter of water. Yes. And the temperature of 2 liter water is between
कि माइनस और
50
प्लस
degrees
डिग्री को मिक्स करते तो क्या होता है?
Why? Because as the temperature of water is different. Okay. So when we mix it, there is a transfer of heat from the higher temperature to the lower temperature. Okay. So the mixture that we get, that is 2 liter of water that we get, is between 30 and 50 degrees Celsius, because it will give heat to this. Okay. तो फिर वो क्या हो जाएगा, उनका जो टेम्परेचर है वो इक्वल आ ही जाएगा, दोनों मिक्स कर दिए ना. ठीक है. सो ना ही टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा ना ही कम होगा. अब उनके दोनों के बीच रहेगा 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस के बीच में. ओके, नाउ इट इज क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, students, sometimes what happen, the heat does not transfer. For example, if I am talking about, it is a container, okay, and it is hot in temperature, okay. Sometimes the heat will not transfer from the water and to this handle. Why? Because if this handle is made up of insulator, then how will there is transfer of heat from this to this container to the handle of the container? Similarly, as in that question that we have done, a wooden spoon is dipped in the cup of ice cream. Okay? It does not become cold because wood is bad conductor. Clear? Yes, Krish?
मैम आपने बोला कि जैसे अगर टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स का टू डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर होते हैं,
हाँ जी,
तो मैम उनको मिक्स करने पे उनका टेम्परेचर उनके बिटवीन आता है।
हाँ
तो
जी।
मैम उनके बिटवीन क्यों आता है?
बच्चे आप ये एक्टिविटी घर पे भी करके देखना एक बार, ठीक है ना? देन इट विल बी मोर क्लियर टू यू. ओके, बिकॉज देयर इज अ ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट अक्सर. ओके, क्योंकि ये हायर टेम्परेचर पे है, दोनों मिक्स करेंगे. अगर आप ठंडा, लिसन टू मी, आप ठंडा पानी ले लो एक ग्लास में, एक में गर्म ले लो. ओके, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? नॉर्मल पानी मिल जाएगा आपको. सिमिलरली एट दैट टाइम ना ही वो ज्यादा कोल्ड है ना ही वो ज्यादा हॉट है. यस, so the temperature is 30 degree Celsius and 50 degree Celsius. If we mix the, अगर इसको देख लो ये ठंडा है, इसके it is cold according to if we compare it with. Clear? वो ऐसे भी नहीं होगा कि वो पानी बिल्कुल ज्यादा ठंडा हो जाए और ऐसे भी नहीं होगा कि बिल्कुल ज्यादा गर्म हो जाए. ठीक है ना? अगर आप मिक्स करते हो तो नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पे वो आ जाता है. दैट इज इट इज इन बिटवीन द टू टेम्परेचर्स. Clear? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
You can do this activity at your home also. Sometimes guests come and they ask for the normal water. ना ही ज्यादा ठंडा होना चाहिए ना ही ज्यादा गर्म होना चाहिए. तो आप क्या करते हो? मिक्स करके देते हो. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. It is just now. Yes. There is any another doubt?